Listen. Them draw the days and divide the years. Shift up the truth to control the fears. But the moon she whisper in ancient ears. Natural timing never disappear. 13 rising a Jah design. 13 tides where the stars combine. But empire cut it down fi claim the sign. Still the cosmic clock remain divine. More on the time. Natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just fi redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. More on the time. Natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just fi redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. Every month a message where creation send. Cancel a beginnings like a without end. But they made it up the system fi power and pretend. Rewrite the chapter but truth still transcend. Woman feel the timing in a woman bone. Election the cycles from a ancient zone. Empire replace it with a clock and throne. But the moonlight sing a language all our own. More on the time natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just fi redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. More on the time natural celestial line. Babylon bend the number just fi redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't lock the rhythm when the rhythm is divine. Rise up 13 lights where you blaze. Ancient cycle never last every race. Moon pump patrol like a watchtower face. Guiding the soul through the calendar maze. Them build a timeline with a missing piece. Cut from the scrolls, no truth decrease. But your calculation never cease. Creation pattern bringing a peace. Hidden files stored in the cosmic mind. Frozen truths melt when the heart align. When you tune to the sky you will surely find Jah timing different from the world's design. More on the time natural celestial line. Babylon bend the numbers just fi redefine. But truth in the sky eternal forever it shine. You can't catch creation to divine. Jah Light.